Welcome to today's market update from Ajayastro Miniguru, where we bring you the latest insights and advanced analysis on global commodities. In this video, we'll dive into the recent rise in crude oil prices, driven by escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and concerns about global supply. Let's take a closer look at what's happening and how it's affecting the markets. Crude oil prices have surged as investors weigh the impact of rising tensions in the Middle East. Brent crude futures are up by 64 cents, or 0.87%, trading at $74.54 per barrel. Meanwhile, U.S. West Texas Intermediate, WTI, futures gained 72 cents, or 1.03%, reaching $70.82 per barrel. These price movements are largely influenced by the ongoing conflict in the region, particularly between Israel and Lebanon. A recent missile strike in Beirut's Bachora neighborhood caused casualties, intensifying fears of further conflict. The situation escalated further when Iran fired over 180 ballistic missiles at Israel, drawing global attention to the potential disruption of oil supplies. However, despite these geopolitical concerns, the U.S. crude oil inventory data provided a balancing factor. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, EIA, U.S. crude inventories unexpectedly rose by 3.9 million barrels last week, reaching a total of 417 million barrels. This increase surprised market analysts, who had anticipated a drawdown of around 1.3 million barrels. The rise in inventories helped ease some concerns over potential supply shortages, tempering the upward pressure on prices. OPEC, the global oil cartel, has indicated it holds enough spare capacity to compensate for any significant disruption in Iranian oil production if the conflict continues. However, there are growing worries about how OPEC would respond if Iranian retaliatory strikes target Gulf oil installations, which could further strain the market. In conclusion, the current situation in the Middle East remains a key driver of oil price volatility. While geopolitical risks push prices higher, the unexpected rise in U.S. crude inventories offers some relief. As the situation continues to develop, we'll keep you updated with the latest news and analysis on how these events impact global energy markets. Thank you for watching today's update from Ajayastro Miniguru. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analysis on commodities and financial markets. Stay tuned for our next video.